Hi, I'm excited to share the advanced Cyviz Easy integration with Cisco Webex Roomkits. Cyviz specializes in developing visual collaboration and video wall solutions for boardrooms, large meeting and training rooms, innovation centers, and command and control. We're here at one of our global Cyviz Experience Centers, and this is a large, seamless, ultra-wide video wall. It provides the benefits of giving a large digital display and allowing you to share multiple content sources simultaneously and collaborate on that content here in the room as well as virtually with participants in Webex meetings. Let's take a look at the user experience of Cyviz Easy with Webex. All right, so this is the Cyviz Touch controller. This device is configurable, not custom programmed, so it's an IT approach to AV. It's standardized and it's upgradable. We're able to control an ultra-wide video wall on this, join Webex meetings, have calendar integration with Exchange and Active Directory, and we're also able to control all the equipment in the room, lighting, shading, multiple displays, and full control for high fidelity audio. Let's take a look at the experience for the video wall. Here I have a representation of the video wall, and I'm able to add multiple content sources. So one of the unique things with Cyviz Easy with Webex is you have multiple content sources. This can be multiple laptops, wireless devices, TV tuner, Apple TV, Chromecast. It's really any HDMI or IP source that can go on the video wall. So I'm going to just start adding content sources to the display, and you'll see it gets added on with intelligence where it resizes the content here on the display. And once I add the content, not only do I have multiple content sources, but I can now move and resize this just using natural gestures that people are used to using on their smartphones and tablets. And I'm able to really collaborate on content now. So just like the ability to have multiple windows on your PC and Mac and collaborate on that content, you can do that now here on the video wall as well. I have further the ability to bring up presets. So if I like a certain setup for the content, I can see a preview of that and then bring up the preset. And now all these content sources are displayed on the video wall. And again, giving me the options to move and resize that content dynamically. But let's really see how this plays with Webex meetings. I'm going to click on the calendar where I've got 2 meetings scheduled for today in the room, a weekly sales meeting and a marketing plan review. I click on one of those meeting invites and I have one button to join for the Webex meeting. I can also join meetings ad hoc by entering in the video meeting address and joining the meeting that way. So now I'm going to click to join the meeting. Great, so now we're in a Webex meeting. In addition to being able to receive content in a Webex meeting in the meeting room and move and resize it, we can share content with them. So I'm going to add my laptop here, and I'm going to move and resize the content the way we want in the room, and I can share this individual content into the Webex meeting. In addition to that, I can use a unique function called display sharing, where I could bring up 4 or more content sources, and then using display sharing, that entire segment can get transmitted into the Webex meeting for screen sharing, including up to 4K resolution. But in addition to that, we can share content from the main PC that's in the room. And that's a PC that's capable of outputting to the maximum resolution. So as I close these other sources, we now see ultra high definition content, 4K plus, from the main PC, and I can now share that into the Webex meeting. In conclusion, there's other elements in the room that we can control through the Cyviz controller. If I click on Control Room, I can really control anything that's RS-232 or IP. These can be devices like Raspberry Pis, Apple TV, Chromecast, and even the TV tuner. There's other elements in the room like lighting and shading that can be controlled, and even building management systems and sensors can be controlled through this. As it relates to controllable equipment with conferencing, I can have control camera control, which is pan, tilt, zoom with the Webex Roomkits, even up to multiple cameras. The final thing we have here is our room control system for our software management and monitoring remotely. This is the Cyviz Easy Server software application. And here I can take full remote control and management of a Cyviz controller and all the equipment that's in a room, such as the Webex room kits. We can do diagnostic information, usage information, and take full remote control. So this is a quick summary of how a Webex room kit gets enhanced and extended with the Cyviz Easy platform. Thank you.